the fucking wind speed out. Like, if this thing hit in less than 2 seconds, everything out there is soaked. I have to run to the van. Oh shit, biscuit. What was right there? We're definitely losing power. I'm gonna grab that bucket. Light up the sky. Wait, dude, I'm getting wet standing here. You know, we're just gonna see if I can get a lightning strike on this. I'm wet. Yo, wait. Oh shit. Dude, the back porch light is like blinking. You guys can't see it. I'm gonna walk out, and I am being drenched. How bad is it for you guys? By the way, this is my video quality and content. Oh my god, I just realized my cat's out here somewhere. Oh god. Onyx! Onyx! Onyx, where are you? Fuck. If he's back there, he's probably inside. Yo, the wind is like pulling that door shut. Some bell right there I can use. But like our back table just went across our deck. It seems to be over there. Oh! Fuck! Holy shit! Oh, I'm going inside! I'm going inside! I'm going inside!